Please. Okay. Bro, I got cheating.
Naghahanap ka ba ng masarap na breakfast? Yung social lang food pero very affordable lang. Tipong gusto mong balik-balikan para matry mo lahat ng nasa menu nila. Buti na lang ngayon available na sila sa 15 locations. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Italians to have breakfast. Dahil I heard mas dumami na yung branches kung saan available yung breakfast. At yung 15 locations, pakipost na lang para sa mga interesado.
Yes.
Ito everyday from 7 a.m. up to 10:30 a.m. At yung menu nila, sobrang dami na pwedeng pagpilian dito at itsura pa lang mukhang masasarap na. Ito yung eggs benedict, French toast and fruits, and avocado on toast. So for me, ito yung mga top picks ko for breakfast if you're looking for something delicious and light lang.
Go.
Wow! So sa eggs benedict nila, ang gamit nilang bread ay naman
Okay.
custard sa gitna.
Bro, I'm getting faster.
For me, ito yung perfect breakfast. Ang sarap-sarap.
Okay. I'll go. Wow.
Ang maganda naman dito guys, ito yung breakfast na rich in protein, good fats, and right amount lang ng carbs. As ang
Wow. Mr. Bro. Wow. Bro. Oh my God. Oh. 900. Yes.
very classic na breakfast. Pwede sa kids, pwede sa adult. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa waffle nila, crunchy in the outside, soft in the inside. Kaya every bite mo talagang verdict mo. Arroz caldo nila dito. Yung gamit nila ditong laman, grilled chicken, at shiitake hotspot.
Just finally.
So siya. Oh, may sakto!
We're finally almost to 1,000.
Arroz caldo nila guys. So,
116.